Welcome to SpeakFlow English. Learn, practice, and succeed.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I feel great today.
That's nice. Are you hungry?
Very hungry. What's for breakfast?
Pancakes, eggs, and coffee.
Wow. You made all this?
Yes, I woke up early this morning.
That's so sweet of you.
Do you like pancakes?
Of course. They are my favorite.
Great. I also made coffee for you.
Thank you. It smells really good.
What are your plans today?
I want to study English and watch a movie later.
Sounds fun. Can I join you tonight?
Sure. But first, let's eat breakfast.
Good idea. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. This is a perfect morning.
Breakfast was amazing.
Thank you for cooking everything.
So, where do you want to go today?
Maybe we can go to the new shopping mall.
Do you want to buy something?
Yes, I need a new jacket and some shoes.
Nice. I also want to buy a new shirt.
Then let's wear something stylish today.
Good idea. I'll wear my black suit jacket.
Wow, you will look very handsome.
Really? Then you should wear your beige coat.
Okay. I like that coat too.
Are you ready to get dressed?
Yes. Let's open the wardrobe.
There are so many clothes here.
I know. It's hard to choose sometimes.
This white shirt looks perfect for you.
Thank you. And your blue suit looks very classy.
Do you think we should take a taxi?
Maybe. It will be faster.
All right. After shopping, do you want coffee?
Of course. Coffee always sounds good.
Then today will be a great day.
Yes. I'm really excited.
Okay, let's go before we are late.
Wait 1 minute. I need my bag.
Haha, now you are ready.
Yes. Let's go together.
This mall is really big.
Yes, and it looks beautiful.
Do you want to visit the clothing store first?
Sure. I need new shoes.
These white shoes look nice.
Really? I think they are too expensive.
Maybe, but they look perfect on you.
Thank you.
I also need a new shirt.
Try this blue one.
Do you like it?
Yes. It looks great.
I'll buy it then.
Nice choice.
Are you hungry now?
A little. Let's get coffee.
This cafe is very cozy.
Yes, I love quiet places like this.
What do you want to drink?
An iced latte, please.
Good choice. I'll get hot coffee.
Do you always drink coffee?
Almost every day.
Same here.
Look, the cake looks delicious.
Should we share one?
Of course.
Chocolate or strawberry?
Chocolate.
Me too.
This is a perfect day.
Yes, I'm really happy today.
Are you free tonight?
Yes. Why?
Do you want to watch a movie with me?
Sure. What kind of movie?
Maybe a comedy movie.
Good. I want something funny.
I'll bring snacks.
Then I'll make popcorn.
Sounds perfect.
What time should we start?
Around 7 o'clock.
Okay, don't be late.
I'll try.
Try is not enough.
Fine. I'll be on time.
Great.
Oh no. My phone battery is dead.
Again? This happens every day.
I forgot to charge it last night.
You really need a new habit.
I know. Can I use your charger?
Of course.
Thank you. You always save me.
Someone has to help you.
By the way, where are we going today?
Maybe the park if the weather is nice.
Sounds relaxing.
Yes, I want a calm day today.
The weather is so nice today.
Yes, it's perfect for a walk.
This park is really beautiful.
I love the flowers here.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, especially on weekends.
Look at that dog.
It's so cute.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, but I don't have one.
Maybe one day we can get a dog.
Really? That sounds fun.
What kind of dog do you like?
Small and fluffy dogs.
Then we need a small apartment first.
True.
Are you tired?
A little. Let's sit there.
Good idea.
I'm happy we came here today.
Oh no, it's raining.
Good thing I brought an umbrella.
You always think ahead.
Someone has to.
Should we go home now?
Maybe after we get coffee.
Coffee on a rainy day sounds perfect.
Exactly.
Your hair is getting wet.
And you are laughing at me.
Sorry, but you look cute.
Thank you.
Let's walk faster.
Okay, but don't slip.
Too late. Whoa.
Are you okay?
Yes, but that was embarrassing.
I will remember this forever.
What are we making today?
Pasta and salad.
Sounds delicious.
Can you cut the tomatoes?
Sure, chef.
Good job.
Cooking together is fun.
Yes, and faster too.
Oops, I dropped a tomato.
Again?
It was an accident.
You are very clumsy today.
But I'm trying my best.
I know.
The pasta smells amazing.
Dinner is almost ready.
I'm really hungry now.
Then set the table quickly. Are you ready to study English?
I'll try my best.
Okay, first question.
I'm nervous already.
What does hungry mean?
Easy. It means I want food.
Correct.
See? I'm smart.
Don't get too confident.
Haha, okay.
Make a sentence with beautiful.
You look beautiful today.
Oh, that's actually good.
English is easier with you.
Thank you.
Teacher, can we take a break now?
Maybe 5 minutes.
Best teacher ever. I brought popcorn and drinks.
Perfect timing.
What movie are we watching?
A comedy movie.
Good. I need something funny today.
Same here.
Can I sit here?
Of course.
This blanket is warm.
It's my favorite blanket.
The movie already looks funny.
Wait until the main character appears.
Haha, that joke was good.
I told you.
This is a great night.
Yes, very relaxing.
We should do this again next weekend.
Definitely.